Hi all, welcome back to Python programming. So last class we discussed math in Python, and we're going to continue on that because I realized that I had not spoken about modulus, and that's actually a very important math concept in I think every programming language actually. So yeah, we will I think dedicate this entire lesson to just modulus. So without further ado, let's quickly comment out everything that we did last class. And if you remember, we use pound or hashtag, if you will, to comment code out or anything out. So like over here, we used a comment to describe that we are doing math in Python. And yeah, so and if you want to do multi-line or if you want to quickly do multiple lines, if you want to comment out multiple lines, you can highlight them, press Command or Control, and then /. All right, let's go on to a new line. And first things first, our modulus operand looks like a percentage sign. So that's how a modulus looks like. Let's quickly make a comment and say, this is a modulus. I think that's how you spell it. All right, let's use this. So let's bring out our handy dandy print method, and we will demonstrate how this modulus works. So pretty much it's kind of like a remainder. So when you divide a number that's not perfectly divisible, say let's divide 38 by 7. Now we know that 38 is not perfectly divisible by 7, so let's see what happens. When we print it, we get this very long floating or decimal number. Now instead, if we didn't want it as a decimal number, but instead we wanted just the remainder, then what we can do is we can use our modulus operand. So we get the number 3, right? So 7 times 3 is going to be 21, my bad. 7 times 5 is 35, and let's actually write that up here. 38 divided by 7 is also known as 5 with a remainder of 3, right? So pretty much what the modulus operand does is return the remainder. Now you might think, hey, this is a pretty useless operand. There's really no use for it, right? Well, actually, it comes up a lot more in programming than you think. Let's use an example. So say I give you a random number, all right? So let's make a variable, a random number. I will give you the number 372. All right. So imagine we start on the date January 1st. January 1st. January 1st of any year, all right? It doesn't really matter for our current use case. So we start on January 1st, and I want you to look 372 days into the future. What day in the week will it be? Will it be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Monday? Monday. And let's just imagine that it starts on Saturday. And ends on Sunday. All right. So what we can do is call the variable x, which we had previously defined to be 372, and let's take the modulo 7. All right. Now, once we run this, we get 1. So what does this 1 mean? This means that the day that we're looking for is Monday. And let me further describe on that. So there's 7 days in a week and 372 days, all right? So let's just think about 372 days here and 7 days in a week. And I guess what I'm trying to say here is how many days are in a week? Okay, wait. This might take a little minute for me to recuperate what I'm trying to say here. So yeah, we know that there's 7 days in a week, and what we're trying to find is what day in the week there is, and what we want for that is the remainder once we divide by the number of weeks, right? Let's use an easier example, all right? So if there's 21 days, all right? So let's do y equals 21. And we want to know exactly how many exactly how many days after the week ends, or if you know what I mean. So let's run this and we'll get 0, right? So that means that the day, like the 21st of January per se, the 21st of January would be a Saturday. It's a little confusing, but I'm sure you guys will get the hang of it. Pretty much all you need to think about right now is that modulus is returning the remainder of a division mathematical operation. All right, that's all you need to worry about right now. Yeah. All right. This video is going to end in a few more minutes. What I quickly wanna bring up is one more data type that we haven't actually touched upon yet, and it's called the Boolean. So this data type is named after someone. I don't remember exactly who. I can search it up right now. Who is Boolean named after? It's named after George Boole, a mathematician. And pretty much Boolean is a simple true. Here, that's true or false, or on or off, or 1 or 0. You know, like in those toys where you see a switch with a 1 or a 0. Yeah, 1 means on, 0 means off. Those are binary digits. Pretty much, Boolean is a true or a false operator, and it's useful for if statements, which I think we'll cover that in the next video. Yeah, we'll go over if statements, which actually, like, it's used everywhere in programming. So yeah, Boolean, pretty much true and false. So let's make a variable, Boolean variable, all right? And let's name it true with an uppercase T, and then a second Boolean variable to false. All right, let's just print out these. All right. If you don't know what I'm doing there to auto-complete what I'm trying to say, I can just press tab. Let's just actually quickly do it again. Boolean variable 2. So I get here a list of options, and I can select the one with my up and down arrows, and I can click tab to complete the sentence. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And that's the beauty of text editors and IDEs. All right, let's run that. All right, we get true and false. Now, right now you don't have much use case for it, but I guarantee these true and false statements, they make up programming. They're literally like the basis of programming. So keep that in mind. If you want, you can go ahead, just search up Booleans and elif statements. I'll write that up here in a comment if you want. If, elif, Boolean statements. All right. Without further ado, I hope you enjoyed the video, learned something new, and I'll see you next week.